Hello, you're watching a SEO Content Machine Next tutorial video. Today is more of a troubleshooting video as I walk you through how to debug and fix problems with Google search results. So the problem is you'll run a keyword search and you'll start getting results from wherever your computer is based. So if your computer is based in France, you might start getting French results, even though you select the English language and you set the region as something appropriate, such as global or United Kingdom. So I'm going to demonstrate this problem by going to the URL finder. So I'm going to look for the keyword cat, and I'm going to leave it as global and English. I'm going to hit the retrieve URLs button. Okay, so now that the search has completed, if I scroll down a little bit, you'll see that it's returning books.google.co.th. So this server or computer I'm running on right now is actually routing traffic through a Thailand IP, and that's why it's giving me regional results for Thailand. Now, I could put it into United Kingdom, but it's also possible that even though you set the location as United Kingdom, you're still going to get results from where your server is based. So the only real way to fix this is to go to Setting, Override Location Settings, hit the Locate Region Settings, and that will scroll to where the region settings are. You can also just scroll down, Show More, and I'm going to select United States and click Save. Now if I run the search for cat again, and I scroll down, you see it's only returning English American results. Okay, so one thing you should take notice about the override location settings is if you close the app and reopen it, there's a good chance you're going to have to reapply the settings as they don't stick. However, if you keep the window, you keep SEO Content Machine running, you're not going to have a problem. So let's verify that the settings are working once again. So cat global English. I'm going to retrieve URLs. Now if I look at the results and I scroll down, I'll notice that there are no google.co.th results anymore. And if I look at these results, it looks like it's America, US only. So this tweak is a way you can force Google results to appear for a certain region, regardless of where your server is located. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below or email me anytime, info@seocontentmachine.com.